Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. We've got a very major big update in this video. I'm going to be talking about a major catalyst that is happening today. It is not specifically a Dogecoin catalyst, but Dogecoin is going to continue to get the benefit from it because our beloved Elon is going to be at this event. I firmly believe we're already seeing a bounce because of that. Okay, we'll bounce up a nice pump. We're up about 17+%. So we're gonna take a look at that. We're gonna look at the overall price action and just have an overall dialogue as well around Dogecoin. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan, have been here for a long time, continue to cover Doge on my channel and all that. Also, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you for your support of my channel. Here we go. As you probably know already, I have my Patreon membership group over here, and there's a link below in the description. 2 levels, supporter and inner circle. At the inner circle level, you get access to my portfolio. All the details are below, by the way. It tells you exactly what you get. Access to my portfolio. You get early trading tip notification on hot cryptos that are popping, that are about to crush it, all that kind of stuff. You also get Discord support in both levels. So if that's something that's of intriguing to your interest, check that out below. Okay, so the overall state of the crypto market right now is actually really good. You can see that Bitcoin is rising nicely. We bounced back from those lows. We did touch 28,000 and we've come back really nicely from that. Ethereum is rising as well. Ethereum rose, it touched into the 1700s. It's up 9%. Let me refresh the screen because it looks like it's not quite loading the right way. There we go. And this thing says Dogecoin is actually down 7. And then on that first screen, it's weird in that 1 hour, but it's up 16.33%. Okay. And it's just crushing it, coming back from a really, last rough couple of days, 7 days plus. You're going back into the 20th, 19. We kind of hit our lows down in the 16 cents. So we're bouncing back really nicely. And I'm really liking what I'm seeing. The overall volume is increasing. You see it's up 57+%. Actually, excuse me, it's up 71%. Wow, that just jumped. Market cap's up 17%. Looks like we might have a shot at overtaking the guy in front of us. I'll go look at that real quickly. And your 24-hour highs and lows are 16 to 19 respectively. Okay, look at the volume. The volume's going up really nicely. The volume is showing me that there's definitely money coming back into the overall market. We're number 8. How close are we to number 7? So number 7 is XRP. Man, we're right there. Look, there's only about a $600 million difference in that. So we get continued movement up and we're going to continue to go. And XRP will continue to move up as well. And it's doing good. All right, so the overall state, let me show you real quickly the chart. Chart looks really impressive. We bounced back from these lows and you can see each candlestick here represents 1 hour worth of trading data, trading volume. And we're definitely moving up really nicely. Okay, so if you did take advantage and bought at some of these lows down here, you're definitely looking good. You're already up 19-20%, give or take, moving up. So that's good news. Okay, so what is this major catalyst that's happening? Okay, we're going to talk about that, and it is the B word event. I covered this yesterday, but I covered it specifically in the context of Bitcoin. It is relevant to Dogecoin, okay? It's relevant to Dogecoin on really 2 fronts. Number 1, this event, I'll show you right here. The B word is a Bitcoin-focused initiative that aims to demystify and destigmatize mainstream narratives about Bitcoin, allowing how explain how institutions can embrace it, raise awareness, and around areas of the network that need support. Okay, so the long and short of it is that this is a really cool event that's set to kick off today at 12 o'clock East Coast time, 9 a.m. California Pacific time. And they're going to be offering a live experience. You can register. You can go see this. So who's speaking? There you go. Elon is going to be speaking. Cathie Wood. If you're not familiar with Cathie Wood, her and her company, ARK Invest, are hands down one of the leading ETF funds, fund companies over on the stock side of the house. They are, working towards putting together a Bitcoin related ETF. I haven't looked at them really recently. I don't know if that's launched yet as of yet, but again, Cathie Wood is definitely one of the smartest people in the room. And it comes to overall finance, when she speaks, people listen. Okay, Jack Dorsey, of course, who's really effectively become the spokesperson, if you will, of Bitcoin, and he's the CEO of Square, and then we got a few others down here, and that are also worthy, but these are our 3 main headliners. Okay, so this is in the context of, again, Bitcoin, and so what I believe is going to transpire here is that, number one, this thing is getting a massive amount of media attention, which, quite frankly, is probably the reason that we're bouncing up, okay? Yes, we have maybe some bearish pressure pulling back, but I believe that this one event is definitely having an impact in the overall cryptocurrency market. This is a big deal because you've got some really major heavyweight financial related players, Kathy, Jack, Elon, etc., coming together to talk about Bitcoin and the overall crypto market. Okay, is it possible that Elon's going to mention Dogecoin? Possibly. It could come up in the context of this. The media are going to cover it in that context. Also, I believe firmly that, again, because Elon is doing this event, that the media are going to cover this event, talk about the B word event, talk about Bitcoin, but because Elon's involved, they're going to talk about Elon, and then, oh, by the way, they're going to mention Dogecoin, and they're going to talk about Dogecoin. That's kind of how the media does it, right? And so that is a positive catalyst. That's why I mentioned that this is a kind of a massive, major update and a catalyst event that shows you point blank how Bitcoin and Elon and the overall market and all of that kind of, when it syncs up and drives the right way, Doge will lift and Doge will go. I've also said all along that as Bitcoin goes, the rest shall follow. Bitcoin continues to go up, Dogecoin will ride along with it because it's in the top 10 overall crypto. It will continue to get its bounces and come back up and just effectively ride along with, with Bitcoin. I mean, again, don't believe me? Look at these charts. Go to CoinMarketCap and go right here. Look at this chart. This is Bitcoin. Look at these last little bit right here. Look as it moves up, moves up, moves up, moves up, moves up, up. You see a trend, right? Everything is moving up. Everything is moving up. See it? Litecoin, Solana, they all have exactly the same chart pattern, if you will. Ethereum Classic, Polygon, everything is getting a really nice bounce up. I mean, look, Polygon's up 24% in the last 24 hours, all that kind of stuff. And then we're the 7 days are still in the red because we're basically erasing the losses, if you will, or the pullback that we've had in the last 7 days. Okay, so I think again, what you're going to see here is continued movement from this, and the event has not even happened yet. Okay, so what's going to happen is we're going to go. I think we're going to continue to have the run up today, a nice pump today. We'll have the event. The event will go live. We'll probably continue to pump during that. We'll have we might have a minor pullback, which sometimes happens in crypto, kind of when, at the event, you might get a sell-off of some kind. And then after the event, we're going to continue to have some pretty good media attention on this. That's going to be really cool and should continue to give us a nice pump. This could be the fire, like the match that lights the fire, right? To kind of begin to maybe kick off this bull run that we've all been really looking for, and we've all needed to kind of get moving to get this thing moving back in the green. I will tell you, absolutely, when I looked at my crypto.com and Coinbase accounts this morning, it was nice to see green. As always, thank you for your support of my channel. I genuinely appreciate you. I'll see you down the road. See ya.